of the major things is being able to have hands-on learning when it comes to learning a trade. You know what I mean? You can't just read books and then go out into the field after reading books for a year and just do it.
We don't want to just put out good welders. We want to actually put out good workers.
It was just so welcoming. Everybody made me feel at home. It was really nice.
I can't emphasize enough how down to earth it really is. There isn't that big distance from the instructors to the students where you feel like you can't talk to them about anything.
The instructors, as they was telling me about the program along the way, I was very eager to even just join the program, ready to start. They showed me around, I saw what I liked. I was like, okay, cool, this is where it's gonna begin.